feels fucking amazing outside. It really does. Alright guys, doing a project. My door is locked. Doing a project for the first time in a while on my car, which yes, I still do have, because it's been a month since I posted, and I don't even care anymore because I just post when I have something to do, so I don't really care. Unlock. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be messing with my seat. Hopefully it goes well. Alright, what is going on guys? I am back for another video, and it's been a minute. I don't know, I just don't be having nothing to do because I'm a broke boy and I can't afford to do anything to this car, and I really want to start drifting it, but that is expensive. So anyways, today I'm going to be trying to do some simple shit. Nothing really spectacular going on, you know. I just felt like making a video, and I know it's like a smudge or something on this camera. I need to get off. Give me a sec. But I'm gonna be trying to fix something that I've had wrong with this car since I got it. So if you look, this seat on these cars, the seats on these cars can go, they are technically, they'd be 6-way power seats. So they're supposed to go forward, backwards. This part goes up, this part goes down, so that's 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the rear lowers, and then 7, 8. So they're 8-way power seats. But this part of my seat doesn't work. And if you hear closely, you hear the motor try to work. Now the other day I was sitting in it and like it started scooting forward, but like it was only this side. So it's probably something stuck in the tracks. So I'm gonna try to take this seat out, but I don't know, it's probably going to be kind of hard to get to because you got to be able to reach the 4 spots where it's bolted in at, and I believe that one of these rails are going to be blocking that, so I can probably get to it with a wrench, but hopefully I can get it figured out, because I want to take the seat out and then just clean underneath it, and then I'll clean my tracks out, and hopefully that works. So now this car does have airbags in the seats, so when I unplug those, hopefully those don't blow up. So I should probably take the negative cable off just in case, but I don't know. I mean, it should be okay, but I don't know. The way my luck's been going, it'll probably just blow up, and then I'll be extremely pissed off. But anyways, I hope they don't sit on top of this, because if that's the case, I won't be able to get to it. I know I'm gonna end up breaking this. Let me try to get this off. Glass flathead. Okay, I should be able to get to that one, which means I should be able to get to this one. Alright, so both covers off. I should be able to get to both of them. This side did scoot up the other day, like I said, so I might be able to get it to move up some more so I can take that off. But yeah, I really just want to clean underneath it because it's extremely dirty, and ever since I got this car, I've not really like cleaned underneath the seats. Usually I take the seats out, like way back in the day, I just take the seats out and just clean underneath it, but now I don't have time for that, especially with power seats, because they're a bitch to get out. They're heavy, and yeah, they're just not a fun time to get out. But I'm gonna take these caps off, get my little tools, and take all these bolts off and unplug the harnesses for all this stuff and see what the hell is going on. Oops. Front 2 are pretty much off. The rear 2 is where the challenge begins. So yeah, as I predicted, this one is kind of a pain in the ass to get to. It's loosening, but it's just kind of in a stupid spot. Don't know how I'm gonna tackle this one. Might have to put a wrench on that one, because if you can see from head on, a ratchet is not gonna fit right there. So might have to toss a wrench on that one. But this one I could probably get off with the ratchet. It's just gonna take a while because of the angle. So let me do that, and then I'll update you. And yes, I know the camera's upside down. Alright guys, and got that one out, and I can tell y'all what, I know which bolt ain't going back in. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get this one with a wrench, which is probably gonna be harder than the other one, but we'll see. So got all of them out. Right now I just gotta lean it backwards or forwards and disconnect the harness. I don't know how many there is. I've never taken a seat up before, so as you see my millions of napkins. But I'm gonna lean it back, take this harness off, and lift this heavy sumbitch out here. So that should be pretty interesting. So yeah, as you can see, it is extremely dirty underneath here. So I can finally vacuum this out, and hopefully I can grease these tracks down, and hopefully this seat will work. But not gonna get my hopes up, but hopefully it does do something. I'm gonna vacuum all this out because it's pretty disgusting. Like, ew. If I felt like it, I would take that one out, but there's nothing wrong with that one, and I don't really feel like taking it out. But I do want to try to fix this one, so that's the only reason why I'm doing this. I'm gonna lift this big bitch out. I need seats, y'all. Someone donate me some seats. Got the seat out. Pretty roomy back there now. All the leg room. I'm gonna get the shop vac, clean all this out, try to get all this hair and shit off, this little shampooer thing we got, clean all this plastic. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna soak these in like some chain lubricant, WD-40, everything I got. I'm gonna soak it all in that and see if I can find like some grease to actually put on it, and hopefully that works, because the motors aren't dead, but it's just like they make noise but they don't move. So I'm assuming they're just like need to be lubed up, or it's just something stuck in it. I'm gonna see if it's like change or something stuck in it, because that's probably what it is. So I'm gonna do this really quickly and take the chair up there and soak that. We're back. We had to run to Home Depot, but like I said, it was like an earring. It went, here it is. This little like earring was stuck in between, like right here. Like it was like really in there. It came out pretty easy. So I'm thinking that might be the problem, but it is like a bunch of stuff right here, and I don't really have anything to fit right there to like get it out. So I'm just gonna hope that this and this gets it out, or gets it like lubed up enough. So we will see, but I don't know. This motor still works. It just doesn't move, but it was probably because of that earring. Matt is making a key holder. That's why we went to Home Depot, because he would.
EP doesn't lose her keys anymore.
Exactly.
And so I don't.
Yeah, same, because I misplace mine all the time. So we had to get some more sandpaper and stain and some other shit. And hooks for it. Got that too. So yeah, while that stuff is like soaking in or whatever, I am gonna vacuum underneath this seat because it is nasty as hell. Alright guys, so I put some more of that liquid wrench, whatever it is, same thing. Put some more of that on there. So now I'm about to like do a little half-ass shampoo job on all this, just to try to get all this hair off, because it does look nasty. And I don't mind cleaning if the seat is already out, so why not? So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then after that I'm gonna try to put the seat in, and hopefully it fucking works, but I don't know. The way my luck is, it probably won't.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, so it does look a little bit better. I'm not here to do a professional detail, so it's good enough. But I'm going to clean all this stuff up and then go get that heavy ass seed all the way from over there and put it back in the car. Alright. Jeez. Alright guys, seat is back in. Shit is heavy. Seat is back in. Hopefully it won't be too big of a bitch to line these bolts back up and put them back in, but I gotta plug up the two harnesses. I'm gonna turn this damn key off because I don't want the airbag to explode, but plug the airbag harness in and plug the motors back in, and hopefully my seats work, but I don't know. Hopefully they work. Fingers crossed that they do work. Alright guys, it's getting dark. Turn this light on real quick. Seats bolted back in. I have not pressed either one of the buttons yet, so you guys are finding out around the same time as me. But seat bolted back in. So let's see if lubing it up, or that grease, or not grease, that earring that was stuck in there actually did anything. So it already did that. It's reclining, still lowers. Now let's see if it slides forward and backwards. No, it's still doing that like one-sided thing. It's trying. I don't know. I'm gonna sit here and slide it back and forth for a few minutes. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna sit in it so there's weight on it. Well guys, I was out here all day, and you know, it felt pretty good. You know, I got to do something on my car today. Got to make a video. But as far as the seat getting fixed, did the seat get fixed? No, it did not get fixed. So once again, I made this nice long comprehensive video for nothing to really get done. That's how it always goes down. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I need to try to start putting some content out on a regular basis. I'm gonna go and clean all these tools up, put these little plastic pieces back on, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that may be. Deuces.
Bitch, let me roll my dope, don't get too fucked by what you mean. Look, I've been on the road 2, 3, 4 weeks, like what you mean. Phone call after phone call, my trap boom like Wall Street. And I just smoked the O, but still real call stretching .3s. Look,